Good pleasant afternoon to y'all from the Cascade Loop here near Concrete, Washington. I am staying here at Grandy Creek. Grandy Creek, KOA and Thousand Trails. They've been booked this weekend, but they had an opening. So I came in for one day just to have a safe, secure spot to park, and that's it. I'm not even hooking up. I'm just parking and using the river down here. Really enjoying the nature side of everything, you know? And again, not having service. But, you know, that's okay, actually. It's just that I don't get to respond and communicate and connect with my viewers as much as, you know, because I just go to town to upload a video or something, so. And, you know, sometimes I don't even really want to read the comments, because, like, 3 of the funny ones today were, Eric, you just lost your man card for owning a cat. Okay. And there was, Eric, I'm going to unsubscribe because there's no more drama and negativity in your life anymore. That's the only reason I followed. Okay? Thing is, I have just found inner peace in not caring what people think about me anymore. You kind of have to do that as a YouTube vlogger anyway, because you're walking around talking to a camera and everybody is staring at you anyway. If you're not comfortable with that, then you can't be comfortable with these other things that are unnormal, as everybody says. So I am at total peace, and I honestly don't care what people think about me. I don't want to be normal. I really don't. I want to enjoy life. I want to be happy. Point blank. So you do your thing, guys. I'm gonna do my thing. Can you blame me for wanting to just kind of stay out of that pretty much? I'm reminded by what my 5th grade teacher told me at John Rogers Elementary in Olympia, Washington. We went out in the class and did one of those, you know, cliche, what do you want to be when you grow up? I didn't know what to say. I literally was just stonewall. I had no idea what to say. And my 5th grade teacher, rest in peace, said, Eric, you got to find what you love doing most of all, and then find a way to get paid to do it. And until my early 30s, I thought nothing of that comment. But still to this day, I remember how she worded that, because I have now found a way to travel and experience life and make videos and make an honest living, and she was absolutely right. I don't want to say life is perfect, but it's working, man. It's working just fine. I'm skipping doing a video tour of Grandy Creek Thousand Trails Campground. I'll go show you where I'm parked, but we're gonna get back on the road. So yeah, this is my campsite here. Full hookups, but like I said, I didn't even put the slides out. I'm just gonna park here for one night and then leave in the morning and get back on the Cascade Loop Trail. I do have the awning down here because, well, we finally hit 80 degrees in Western Washington. That's hot for Western Washington. That is above average already for the first time, and now all the Home Depots and Walmarts, they'll sell out of the window air conditioners today only. I do have quite the collection of Thousand Trails green towels now. I've stayed at quite a few, even if for just one night. Anyway, yeah, gonna pack up everything in the morning, and I'll cut back in when we hit the road. Actually, I changed my mind. I gotta get out of the campground. I can't stay there all stinking day. So I got a tip from one of my neighbors that said there's a good burger joint down the street in Lyman. So, yeah, it's a nice day. Seriously, who wants to sit at camp all day? I want to smell the fresh air. All right, let's get trucking now. Oh yeah, that's a cool mailbox. Don't see any blackberries on those bushes yet, though. It's coming. In probably another couple weeks, we'll start seeing some blackberries. Wait a minute. Let's cross the highway here. There's something going on. Live music. Yep, some live outdoor music. Nick Anthony. But I have other tavern food in mind, so $3.19 a gallon? Whoa, prices went way down. I was paying $3.89 in Thurston County. A little more reasonable here in the mountains. Okay, cool. Cross the highway here, don't kill me. All right, or should we check out Baker Lake? I had made a detour off the Cascade Highway to come look at this park, but you need a Northwest Forest Pass. Maybe that's the only other weird thing about Washington State is the DNR Discover Pass does not work for everywhere, because we have like 8 different agencies, state and federal. I don't have that pass, and I don't know how to get it right now, so we'll continue on to get some food. And we have arrived to the Lyman Tavern. I'll just let you guys read that. That's what it says, doesn't it? Going with a local amber here. This is La Rosa, brewed right here in Washington State. And I already got my order in. You can see the theme in here with all of the horns. Quite possibly the most horns you're gonna see in any tavern. Whoa, look at all these deer heads. It's dark in here, but there's a moose. So now you see where it gets its name? The horniest tavern. Okay, while I'm waiting for my food, they have an outdoor beer garden. It's early, guys. I mean, I'm the only customer thus far, but horseshoe pits back here. They got the Ford part right, but everything else here is just completely wrong. Hey, look, an old Rainier can. This might be one of my favorite little spots, and they do karaoke here too. This could be a happening spot on a Friday or Saturday night. That's pretty cool. I'm starving. There we go. You know I'm gonna say don't be a tater hater, guys. Cheese, bacon. Oh yeah. As physically and emotionally draining as this is for us. It's a 10. It's definitely a 10. Okay, so now I will stop recording and I will cut back in tomorrow when we get on the road, guys. And good morning, everybody. Comfortable over there, Jax? Oh, you're gonna bathe? He's gonna bathe. I'm gonna drive. Leaving Thousand Trails now. I'm gonna go find some more natural setting type spots for today. I don't know if we're gonna see any sunshine, but oh, actually, you know what? I actually want to fill up that gas station right there. That's $3.17 a gallon. That's literally the cheapest I've seen in this entire state this summer. So we're gonna fill up about $250 worth right now. Well, filling up gas can sometimes be a half-hour wait just to get into the small-town pumps because my tank's at the end of the RV. But the other thing about small-town gas pumps is you don't have to prepay. Like, I was so confused. It's like, no, just pump and pay. Why wouldn't you do that? Well, I didn't know. Usually you have to prepay when you're pumping $300 worth of fuel. There we go. She finally stopped at 70 gallons, $224. Could be worse. I've paid over $300 to fill this tank up. Jax, you just gonna sleep all day? How come I gotta do all the hard work around here and all you do is look cute? Okay, well. Now, things are gonna change here, guys, because we are now currently starting to pass the north end of the Cascade Mountain Range in Washington State, which separates western and eastern Washington. Totally different climate in eastern Washington. It can hit upper 90s, 100s every day in July, and then not even hit 70 degrees on the west half of the state. So, yeah, like I said, things are going to change as we go 4,000 or 5,000 feet higher into this. And then part of this loop is coming back over the mountains back on the west side later on in a couple weeks. So I'm excited to see a change in scenery. Although I love the evergreen trees, I'm excited for a change. We're going to see a lot on this scenic little loop here. All right, I'm going to detour off of the Cascade Highway here in Concrete. Do I happen to have any viewers from Concrete, Washington? I mean, it's a very small little town, apparently, but they do have a high school up here. And while I've taken my viewers to some pretty strange places, I've never taken you underneath a high school. I guess Concrete High School expanded, and now it's over the roadway. So, we are driving underneath a high school. Don't say I never take you guys places. It's true. It's very true. Also, I still have not been able to find a magnet, anything signifying Cascade Loop. I really wanted there to be one at the Horniest Tavern. Whoa. Look at the welcome to Concrete with the concrete. Remember that world's largest six-pack that was in Illinois? Or was that? Yeah. They should paint that and make that an 8-pack. Then it could really be the world's largest 8-pack. But yeah, no magnets so far. Hey, I can't control it, man. Jax, man, do you want to be a river dweller today? I know, our view is just terrible, huh? This isn't gonna work, Dad. This is too beautiful. I don't know what to do with all this. Yeah, are you being a dashboard cat? Getting your fur all over the place? Okay, man. Whatever you're into. I'm gonna go check it out, okay? Let's go check out our digs. Yeah, I think this will work just... Oh, it's the WD-40. That's nasty. I should have wiped down the excess. Now, curiously enough, another common theme that's been happening here on the Cascade Loop for me is that I'm not getting as far as I had planned or hoped each day. That's because I keep finding hidden gems. Like, how about camping on the Skagit River? Yes, please? I mean, don't get me wrong, I understand. RV parks and resorts and campgrounds, that's what's fueling getting people into RVs now. But there is a secret life of awesomeness that exists when you escape all that and you put solar on your rig and you become more self-sufficient in the RV, where it's a little prettier, a little quieter, and for me, just a life enjoyed a little more. And yes, I have a ketchup stain on here that I didn't catch when I woke up this morning. I figured I would just not shower and wear the same shirt, but I kind of got caught there. How about that water temp? I'll bet it's pretty cold. It is not warm. Not warm at all. There is the Cascade Highway going over that bridge right there. So we're really not boondocking too far away from it, right? So I think this is as good a place as any to call it a night and relax. So thanks again for tuning into this Cascade Loop trip, guys. Chex and I will be back in our next video. I'm going to be using my America the Beautiful National Parks Pass in my next video. So, don't go anywhere. See you in a few days, guys.